Hey guys! In today's video, I'll show you how you can add an expense claim in Xero, so let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and go to the Business tab on your dashboard. From there, select Expense Claims. This will take you to a page where you can view all your existing claims or create a new one. To create a new expense claim, click on the New Expense Claim button. Here, you'll be asked to input details about the expense. Start by selecting the employee or yourself if you're submitting a claim as the business owner. Next, add the date of the expense and a description of what the claim is for, such as travel or office supplies. You'll also need to select the appropriate account for the expense from the drop-down menu. Now, enter the amount for the claim and add any supporting receipts by clicking on the Attach Receipt button. Simply upload the receipt image or file, and Xero will keep a record of it. If you need to split the expense across multiple accounts, you can click Add Item to add additional lines for different accounts. Once everything looks good, click on Save to save your claim, or Submit if you're ready for approval. Once your claim is submitted, your manager or approver can review and approve it. After it's approved, the claim will be processed, and the reimbursement can be recorded. And that's it. You've successfully added an expense claim in Xero. This will help you keep track of any business-related expenses and ensure your records are up to date. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.